After the Goa Nightclub fire that killed 25 people at Birch by Romeo Lane, the club's owners, brothers Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra, left India and flew to Thailand within hours of the incident. Now there is not just a question of they ran away, but also of how Interpol, Thailand and India are working together to bring them back. Today we will break down what exactly is happening, what an Interpol Blue Corner Notice is, and why Thailand is cooperating with India in this case. But before we get started, do subscribe to Lokmat Times and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's now go deeper into the case and understand what is actually happening. Soon after the fire, the spotlight shifted to the owners. Police found that the Luthra brothers were not even in Goa that night, they were in Delhi. But even before the investigation could fully begin, they boarded an early morning flight from Delhi to Phuket. This timing immediately raised doubts. It made the police wonder why leave so quickly, and when Goa police reached Delhi with arrest warrants, the brothers had already disappeared from their homes and offices. That's when the search officially went international. Once it became clear that they had left the country, Goa police asked for lookout circulars and contacted central agencies, including the CBI and the Ministry of External Affairs. And this is where Interpol enters the picture. Now let's talk about that, because a lot of people see words like Blue Corner Notice online but don't really know what it means. Interpol is not a global police force that goes and arrests people. Instead, it helps countries share information about suspects, wanted persons, missing people or threats. So you think of it as a communication and coordination network for police worldwide. In this case, India requested a Blue Corner Notice against Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra. A Blue Notice basically asks other countries to help locate the person, verify who they are, and inform the requesting country about their movements. It is an important step because India needed Thailand to officially confirm the brothers' presence there. A Blue Notice is not as strong as a Red Corner Notice, which is linked to arrest and extradition. But it is still a serious alert, especially when a case involved 25 deaths and possible safety violations. Now Thailand's role becomes important. Once the notice and lookout alerts were issued, Thai authorities received the information that these two individuals were wanted from questioning in India. India and Thailand have the cooperation agreements and they regularly work together on such cases. So Thai police traced the brothers in Phuket, found where they were staying and detained them. After that, they were moved to immigration detention centers because that's where foreign nationals are kept while paperwork is being processed. From this point, two words start appearing in the news: extradition and deportation. And they sound similar, but they are very different. Extradition is a formal legal process that takes place in court. It can take months, sometimes years. Deportation is simpler. It is done when someone has violated immigration rules or overstayed, and a country decides to send them back. Experts say Thailand is going ahead with deportation in this case. That means the process is much faster. So what happens next? Once the deportation order is cleared, the Luthra brothers will be put on a flight to India. When they land, Indian immigration officers will take custody and then hand them over to Goa police. After that, they will face arrest, questioning and court proceedings. The focus will be on the alleged safety violations, how the fire spread so quickly, and why basic fire norms may not have been followed. Meanwhile, the brothers are also putting forward their own version. Through lawyers and some media statements, they say that they left India for a business trip, not to escape. They have even asked for anticipatory bail, but investigators point to the timing of their departure, the scale of the tragedy and the lives lost as reason to treat them as key accused. Courts are currently examining their bail pleas while the deportation process continues separately. So right now the main question is simple. When will the brothers be back in India and how fast will the legal process move once they arrive? And in the middle of all this, the families of the 25 victims are still waiting for answers.